spark. Just one spark to awaken a sleeping giant. And it is the fury of a thunder god compressed into the palm of a hand.
2 explosions. 2 destinies. But what determines how they destroy everything? One pushes. One shatters. This is not a story about power, but about nature.
To understand the difference, we must look at the invisible. Let's begin the dissection of explosions with AI.
In our virtual laboratory, all physical laws are absolute. Today's objective: to confront 2 legends of explosion. The first contender: gas, a volatile mixture. Its energy is latent in every molecule, waiting to be combined.
It needs air to breathe, to unleash its fury. Its nature is a combustion, just with its speed pushed to the maximum.
Its speed is limited, moving slower than the very sound it creates.
The second contender, composition C-4.
A legend in the world of high explosives, famous for its incredible stability.
It doesn't need outside air. Everything it needs is contained within. A closed system, perfect for instantaneous destruction. This is not combustion. This is a chemical shockwave.
23 times faster than the speed of sound. Faster than the limits of perception.
One occupies space. The other focuses all its power on a single point.
The uncompromising confrontation is about to begin.
First experiment. AI will recreate the giant push.
Silence before the storm.
Witness this. Activation. An infinitesimal energy pulse. But enough to start an unstoppable chain reaction. This is rapid combustion, a propagating fire front.
It consumes fuel and oxygen, creating a massive volume of hot gas.
The pressure doesn't spike, it builds over time. The temperature soars, expanding the gas with terrifying force. The structure begins to feel the weight.
A uniform pressure acts on every square centimeter.
The material bonds are stretched to their absolute limit. This is the very nature of a push. The first weak point has been overcome.
Even the building's steel skeleton cannot resist.
And then, complete collapse.
The structure isn't pulverized, it's violently dismantled.
The energy is completely released into the external environment. The aftermath is a chaotic pile of rubble. Traces of a massive, uniform push. All of the gas's energy was converted into pressure and heat.
The first simulation is complete. The giant's push has left its signature.
The data has been recorded. The arena is reset for the next contender. Now is the time for deadly precision.
The same arena, but a completely different kind of weapon.
Destruction, compressed into a humble form.
All conditions are absolutely controlled.
Science demands precision.
Second experiment. AI will recreate the lightning's punch.
The stillness before the lightning.
And now, witness immediacy.
Activation. No propagation.
A near instantaneous transformation of matter. And there it is, the signature of a detonation. A wall of supersonic pressure, invisible but absolute in its destructive power.
Maximum pressure, achieved in a millionth of a second.
It doesn't push. It impacts at a molecular level.
The energy is transferred directly into the material, causing immense stress. This is pulverization. The material's bonds are broken.
A punch that focuses all its energy on a single point.
This phenomenon is called spallation, of fragment ejection.
Reflected waves create points of extreme pressure, causing additional damage.
The result is a clean, precise wound.
The rest of the structure remains largely intact.
The fire is just a byproduct. The shockwave is the primary weapon. Traces of a precise surgical punch. The shearing force of the shockwave is absolute.
The material doesn't fracture, it disintegrates.
A war fought in a millionth of a second. The energy is channeled with incredible directionality.
The second simulation is complete.
The lightning's punch has left its mark.
Now is the time for two worlds to collide.
The difference could not be clearer.
Visualize the signature of the energy.
The giant's footprint. Slow, powerful, and prolonged.
And the lightning's punch. Instantaneous, extreme, and brief.
Understanding this difference is the key to harnessing and controlling one of the most powerful forces. Where the water is more dangerous than the shockwave. Do you want us to simulate it?